This question says positive 7 minus negative 5. Because we're subtracting integers, we're using the strategy called KCC, which stands for keep, change, change. Our first number is 7, so we're going to keep it exactly the same. This C stands for change, but we're changing subtraction into addition. And this C stands for change too, but here we're changing the sign of the number to its opposite. So we're changing negative 5 into positive 5. The new question that we have is way easier than the first question we had. And 7 plus 5 is just 12. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.